Introducing the all-new Spin Wheel, the first fully portable wheel of its kind. Designed with a detachable wheel, making setup, transport, and storage effortless. Featuring a proprietary clicker system with wedge-defining locator. Ensures precise, satisfying spins every time. No more landing between wedges. Built for versatility, lightweight yet durable for events anywhere. Perfect for trade shows, retail activations, parties, and promotions. Available in both tabletop and floor-standing models. Gives you flexibility to match any space or setup. Choose from 24-inch and 36-inch wheel sizes, plus custom sizing options to fit your brand or experience perfectly. Engineered with a removable, metal-weighted base, no tools required. Makes packing, shipping, and storage fast and hassle-free. Designed for convenience without sacrificing performance. Professional look and feel with easy portability. Take your engagement anywhere. A reliable, eye-catching game that's ready whenever you are. Learn more about this and other custom event products, and how to take your marketing efforts to the next level with Pop49.